Hey guys, it's Girl Play. Oh, dang it. Hey guys, it's Girl Plays XD here, and today I'm going to be playing Motorcycle. That was bad, really bad. On my last video, I left off here, and so we're still working on it. Come on, 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 come on. Yes. Oh, yes. Yes, that was better. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm wiggling my phone for it to go. Okay. Yes! Ow, my foot. Ow. I slammed it on the door. Ow. What? No questions. Let's just go. Attaboy. 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 Oh, that was perfect. Okay. Oh. Oh, no. Ooh. Ah. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. It's because my aunt is watching the football, soccer. Sorry. Oh, oh God, oh God, oh God, no. That was so close. So close, so close, so close, so close, so close. Please, nail this. Nailed it. Okay, I'm going to do that again. And go! Go, 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 Power Rangers. I'm okay, guys. Anyways, guys. So, while I'm doing this, I'm going to I'm going to talk to you guys about my day in school. So pretty much I was playing with Jonathan in recess. I was learning math. I was, basic school things. Oh my gosh. I'll get back to you guys when I'm finished. So I'm back here, and let's do this time. What? Oh, come on. Come on. What? Come on, come on, come on. Yes, no. This is really bad. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. Oh my god. I'll get back to you guys when I'm finished. So, I finally finished it. I don't know how, but I did. I'm so happy for that. My god, that took a long time. An ad, really? Guys, until this is finished. So I came up with a catchphrase, and I think it's going to be XD. There's different meanings of XD. Some people say it means smiley face. Some people says I Love you and dinosaur. I don't know. But now when I do something, I'm gonna say XD. Or even my title name. I could say, oh, Brenda Plays XD. I don't know, but comment down below, what should my catchphrase be? Anyways. So, yeah. Make sure you comment what kind of catchphrase I should come up with. Ooh, deserts. Yay! Someone made a goal, and that was me. Whoa, 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 Maglanta. Whatever. Oh, doba, doba, doba. Freebie die, bye bye. Did you see that? I just slipped it off. Till we get to the bumpies. Yay, the bumpies. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe and like. Bye.